Hello students, in this video I am going to show you how to access the ebook and other resources from MyLab and Mastering. To get started, you want to log into Canvas, and then once you've logged into Canvas, navigate to the course, and then click on our course. Once you're inside the course, you're going to click on MyLab and Mastering from the navigation menu on the left. So before you click on MyLab and Mastering, be sure to disable pop-up blockers and enable cookies in your internet browser. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on MyLab and Mastering. And on the right-hand side of the window, you will see the Pearson logo, the front cover of the textbook, and a button that says Open MyLab and Mastering. So go ahead and click on that button. And it will open up MyLab and Mastering in a separate tab on your internet browser. So depending on your computer and the strength of your internet connection, this may take a few seconds to load. So go ahead and wait till it starts loading. And once it's down, once the page is finished loading, you'll notice a menu underneath MyLab Statistics, and you'll also notice the name of the course at the top here, Math 110 Elementary Statistics, Spring 2022. So one of the options in the menu underneath MyLab Statistics is called eText. So that's where you're going to go to access the ebook. So go ahead and click on it. And in the window to the right, you'll see an option that says View the eText for your course. Go ahead and click on that. And the ebook will load in another tab in your browser. And once again, give it a few seconds depending on your internet connection. So now that the ebook is finished loading, let's see how we can navigate in the ebook. So to access the table of contents, you're going to click on this icon here. All right, now we're viewing the title page. So let's say you want to go to a particular section or a particular chapter. So from the table of contents, you're going to scroll down. You'll see a list of the different chapters. So let's say you want to go to chapter 1, Introduction to Statistics. Click on the title of the chapter. And below that, it lists the different sections in that chapter. So let's say you want to go to section 1.2 on data classification. Scroll down to view the remaining sections in the chapter. Click on the section you want. And once you've found the section that you want, you can scroll down to view the rest of the page. And let's say you want to go to the next page. Click on the right arrow. And if you want to go to the previous page, click on the left arrow. So let's say you want to go to a particular page number instead. So to navigate to a particular page number, click on this icon called Navigation. And you'll see a bar. Again, if you click on this icon and drag it up or down, notice how the page number changes as you drag it up or down. So once you find the page number that you want, let's say let's go to page 200. So if you find the page that you want, go ahead and deselect, and it'll take you to that page. If you don't quite get to the page that you wanted, you can use the left and right arrows to navigate to the page as necessary. Now that we know how to navigate in the ebook, let's go ahead and figure out how to find other resources in MyLab and Master. So from the navigation menu underneath MyLab Statistics, let's go ahead and scroll down. And what we're looking for is the multimedia library, so go ahead and click on that. Once the page for the multimedia library is finished loading, what you want to do is select the chapter that you want. So let's go ahead and select chapter 2. And if there's a particular section that you want to find resources for, go ahead and click on the name of the section that you want. So for example, 2.3. And usually what you want to do, even if you want to find particular resources such as PowerPoint or videos or some other resource, what you want to do is select the box that says Select All, so check that box, and then click on Find More. And then the resources for that section are available underneath the box. You'll see animations, test prep videos, PowerPoints, StackCrunch, and lecture videos if they're available. So don't forget that you can scroll up and down within the page in MyLab and Mastering, but also you can scroll up and down in your browser as necessary. Good luck to you all as you navigate our course in Canvas and in MyLab Statistics. Please email me if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.